it's about 8 o'clock right now, everybody, and it is absolutely gorgeous out. I'm taking the K series out for one last rip of the weekend before it's going to be parked all week due to work and stuff. So we're going to do some high weight pulls. I'm going to try launching again because my other launch was garbage. So let's have some fun and let's just rip it, guys. Is so fun. I can only imagine what it would be like with a dyno tune and a full exhaust. I'm gonna try to launch, you know what? All right, I'm gonna launch on this. No, I'm not. There's people walking. Yeah, we don't want to be blown by those people. Look, they literally, dude, they picked their dog up off the ground. Cars will always feel absolutely amazing to me. The 8th generations, they just want to be, it's like they want to be revved out. Like this thing runs better when it's revved out, whereas when I'm like babying it, like when I'm babying it, the transmission acts all weird, but when I'm shifting quick, it's like perfect. Makes like no sense. People, like, obviously they get these for entry-level cars, and part of me will always ask myself, do I want to sell this car? Like, should I sell this car and, you know, take the money and run, or should I just keep it as a project and, you know, throw a little bit of money here and there? And honestly, like, it's 50-50, guys. I love this car to death, but it's also nice to have money. But I feel like if I got rid of this thing, it would, like, I would be not lost, but like I would be so bored, because this thing is literally the most fun to drive ever. Like if I'm having a bad day or whatever the case may be, I come into this car and it like changes my whole mood, if that makes any sense. Damn, that sunset though. Getting home right now, gave the K series a little beating. I don't know if you guys can see me, but honestly I love this car so much, and I'm gonna miss the K20 if I do go to K24, because just the way this thing revs and just the way the K20 feels is amazing. And all you guys who own these cars know exactly what I'm talking about. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's little video. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I really don't push my car that hard a lot, but I finally got my launches down solid, something I kind of been working on a little bit. So if I ever go to the track, I'm really dying to see what I'm gonna run for a 1/4 mile time and just see what other things I can do. So it was super fun tonight, guys. Like I said, stay tuned. I've been still doing the research, you know, whether I'm building my K20 when something happens, or if I'm gonna go the K24 Frankenstein route. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be sick. Also, huge shout out for everybody who sends me stuff and who helps me out with the car, man. You guys are truly amazing, and for all the people who support what I do. I just never thought I'd make it this far, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Vtec on, and be safe.
We don't do it lightly.